What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Y'all, how to make the most out of your laundry detergent. So yeah, I'm getting ready to wash a load of clothes, and I have a new bottle of detergent. I tend to switch up different types of detergent. It just depends on what mood I'm in. But this is the last bit of my Arm & Hammer plus OxyClean. And so I'm not about to toss this bottle in the trash, y'all. What I did was I put some oil in here. I'm gonna shake this up and I'm gonna put it on my clothes, because guess what? We don't have no money to waste. All right, I'm gonna shake it up real good. It's still some down there. We're gonna make sure this thing nice and shook up. We're gonna pour it on our clothes. If it ain't soapy enough, I'll add some more. But for right now, we're gonna make sure I use all of this. Thanks for watching.